Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this reflective dog collar. It is soft padded pet collar with an ID tag ring. It is adjustable from small to large dogs. Alright, so we got this dog collar. It is offered in 8 different colors. The color here is hot pink. They also offered in pink, purple, red, royal blue, sky blue, teal, and black. So I got myself a small. They offered it in small, extra small, medium, and large. So I did get my husky a small because she is not that big. And this one here is a reflective, so when you're out walking your dog, it should reflect off the lights of people's cars so they can see you when you're walking your dog. It has a tie-in with leash, transition rope to hold the pet. It has a durable release buckle. It is easy to take on and off. It's convenient to use. It has an attached name tag accessory. It is strong, lightweight, and comfortable. Soft, provides more cushion pad feel for your pets so your pets don't get annoyed with this pet collar. It does have adjustable straps, so I adjusted it all the way down to the smallest one because I didn't want to get an extra small because I know she'll be growing. So the small is, the collar width is 3/4 inch and the length is up to 12 inch to 16 inch, and the extra small is a little bit smaller, so I just went down to the smallest fasten. It is padded, durable. It has a D-ring with a leash, so you can put your rope or your collar on there. So as you can see, it fits her. It's a little loose because she is a little small. So the small, it says it fits French Bulldogs, Dutch Hounds, Jack Russell Terriers, a Cockapoo, and Pug. So she is a 7-week-old husky, so it is fitting her at the moment, and I think it'll last till she's about at least a couple months old, and then I will have to go up to a medium and a large while she grows. So the extra small is 5/8 inch neck size. The small is 3/4 inch neck size. The medium is 1 inch. The large is 14 to 20 inch. The neck size is 16 to 25 inch. And as you can see, it does not bother her. She likes it. So if you're looking for a good pet collar, I would definitely recommend this one. It is nice and soft. It will not bug your pup. And the great thing, it does have a reflective design. I would definitely say check this one out.